Just want to quickly share. I mean, this is for people that actually want to make some money online easily, you know, make some money online, and also for busy people, for students that are looking for a side hustle they can do and put some money in their pockets. It's not for very busy people like me. I've known this system for a while now, but I've not been able to be honest, I've not been able to make any reasonable amount from it. I've made some few change from it, but nothing to compare with what some of my friends are making from this system. I've seen a friend of mine that withdrew over 15,000, 17,000 from this platform, but I haven't been able to go anywhere near the shadow of that amount. So, but if you have time, all this is because of my busy lifestyle. Have time, you just have time, you can rake in 1, 2, 3,000 extra every day. Please just take your time and watch this video till the end. You will really like it. Now let me take you to this platform. Okay, it's booting again. Let me take you to this platform. This is a very simple platform where you do some micro tags, some social tags, and you get paid for it. Social tags like liking people on WhatsApp, liking them on Facebook, on following people on TikTok, joining groups. These are things you're already doing anyway. You do them already. The difference is that you are doing them for free. The people you follow on WhatsApp, on Facebook, you don't even know majority of them. You're following them is putting more money in their pocket and not giving you anything out of it. But in this platform, you can follow them and you get paid for it, because they pay people, they pay this platform to pay you so you can follow them. They need that engagement. That's why they pay this platform to do it. So this platform is sharing that money with you. That's basically what you'll be doing here. And in this platform, you can also advertise your good product and services. But today is not for that. We are not here to talk about that. What we're here for is to talk about how we can put some money, some change in our pocket. 1,000 a day, 2,000 a day, 3,000 a day. This is possible with this platform. That's what we are here for. Now, another beautiful thing about this platform is the amount of engagement tags they provide on a daily basis. Yesterday I was on this platform, I saw 103 tags available for me, but I don't even have time to complete up to 10. You see, but there's a similar platform I signed up with some years ago. The highest number of tasks you can get a day there is 5. Maybe until the next day or 2 days later before they give you more tasks to do. So, but in this case, we have a lot. If you have the time, you will really make some money here. Now let's go deeper. You see, perform engagement task 131. Let's click on this and see how it goes. You see, there are a lot of tasks you can complete here and you get paid handsomely for it. Let's take this for instance. If you have space on your phone, you can go to your web store or your Play Store and just simply download apps, and they pay you 30 naira for downloading an app. If you have enough space on your phone and you are able to download 10 apps, that's 300 naira. That's something, and that's not all you'll be doing here. Okay, this one I think is for iPhone users. They pay you 60 naira for that. Then let's scroll up a bit. You see this one, they say follow an account on AudioMark. AudioMark is an app where you listen to free music. They should have thousands, if not millions, of free songs there to listen to. So what you do here basically is to download this AudioMark first. When you've downloaded it, then you now come to this task, click on it and start completing them. You click on it and start completing these offers. Like, let me put it, okay, don't worry. You click on it and start completing and start following these people. Each person you follow, you get paid 10 naira for following just one person. This is the same follow you are following people everywhere for free. You follow everybody, nobody is following you. Why don't you follow these people and make some money from it? Look at this one now. If you follow, let's just do the calculation. If you follow 100 people on Audioma, which will not cost you anything, it will not take you anything. The 100 people, follow 100 people will not take you anything. You follow 100 people a day on Audioma, you will get 1,000 naira. 10 naira into 100 people will give you 1,000 naira. What if you are able to follow 200 people before the end of the day? You make 2,000 naira already. The next day you do the same thing. Look, this simply means in a month you are close to between 50 and 60,000 naira. This is what you should be earning. Okay, look at YouTube. You subscribe to different YouTube channels. Nothing is paid to your account. You comment. You even if you want to insult people on this, you get paid for it because it's comment. You know, look at this one. If you share, you get 15 naira. You look at this one. Retweet on Twitter. If you don't have Twitter account, quickly create one. Look at group. You join WhatsApp group, you get paid 15 naira for it, dude. Some people, they will add you to WhatsApp group, you get angry, you remove yourself from it, you start insulting everybody. You don't know there are a lot of things you can get from some of these groups. Look, add me to any group, I have something to benefit there. If you want to learn how to benefit from any group, whether you like the group or not, I go online searching for groups to join by myself. If you want to learn what to benefit from such group, for any group at all, private message me after this, and then I'll put you through. So let's come back to the point. This one is Telegram. If you join Telegram group, you get paid 15 naira for it. It's as simple as that. Look at so many tasks to complete here. You can never get. You see it from the beginning. 130 something tasks every day. I get up to 100 and something tasks to complete there. I wish I'm able to even complete 10 or 20 of these tasks. It would have been better. So, but now the thing is this. Before you continue from this point, let me tell you this. This platform is not free. You will pay 1,000 naira to activate your account, to activate your membership. Just 1,000 naira, and it is once. You are not paying it yearly like other platforms. We tell you it is yearly payment. You pay every year to activate your membership. But here, 1,000 naira is once you pay it, and once you pay that 1,000 naira once, you are good to go. All you need to do is to come here every day and start completing tasks. Now let's look at it. If you are not ready to accept that 1,000, if you are ready to accept that 1,000 naira payment, you can continue listening and watching this video. But if you know 1,000 naira is too much for you to achieve this, then please close the video. Agree to pay that 1,000 naira to activate your membership. I will advise you don't pay just 1,000 naira, because if you transfer 1,000 naira, by the time it gets to your wallet, you will have 990 something. They will take charges, transfer charges, maybe 10 naira or so. So, but whatever they take, whatever they pinch from it, will affect that 1,000 naira. The system will not be telling you don't have enough money to activate your membership. Then you will not have to go back and add more money, maybe 100 naira or 50 naira or whatever, which is a waste of time. That's what happened to me. So what I advise you to do is, once you get the payment details, pay in 1,100 naira. That's what you should pay in straight away, so you don't have to do it twice. You understand? But they will only take their 1,000 away. The other one will still be there for you to add, to withdraw by the time you accumulate some money. Okay. Now, if you have agreed on this, let's proceed and let me teach you how to quickly create an account with this platform. Okay. I already have an account, obviously, but let me, for the sake of this video, I'll create a fresh account quickly. The link will be in the description of this video. Don't worry, there's a link you can click and then it takes you straight to the platform. But for those that want to go straight to their browser, you go to your browser and then you type in and then you click enter. Okay, you click enter and wait for it to load. So okay, the account I created is still opening, so that let me log out. Okay, I've logged out. But if you are coming into the system for the first time, you will see a different page. This is the page that you are going to see if you are coming into the system for the first time. If you click on the link or you type, you go straight to your browser, this is what you will see the first time. Now you click create free account. You click it and then you come here and enter your name. Let me just create a name, Felix. Okay, Felix Johnson. Felix Johnson. If you exist anywhere, I'm sorry, I don't mean to use it, but that's it. Then you click the second one, referral username. This referral username, you put in Prince JM. That's the referral username you put. You have to put this referral username. I will tell you why you need to put it. For two reasons. One, if you've used my referral name, you will be giving bonuses. I don't know the amount of bonus they will give you. I'm not in charge of that. But you can be lucky. The big bonuses varies. You can be lucky to get something very reasonable. I'm not in charge. I don't control the amount of bonus they give. They can give you, they can decide not to give you. But should they give you bonus, it's going to be reasonable. I've seen it in the past. So that's one reason you have to do it. Second reason, just in case you have registered, you've done your activation and everything, and you're having issues, you want to know more, there are things you want to learn, you come back to me and I'll be able to assist you because you have used my referral code. If you don't use it, I am not going to attend to you. If you don't use it, I'm not going to attend to you, and the bonus you will not get as well. So after entering the bonus, after entering the referral name, you click sign up. You allow it to load. Now we'll go to the next page. When you sign up, you put in your own username. Let me put Felix JSN, whatever. But that's the username. Then let's look for an email. Let me just use any of my email. Okay. Let me use any of my email address. Okay. And then you enter your password. Put a secure password there, and you'll be good to go. Okay. After you've done that, you click create account. You click create account. It will take you to the next page. A code will be sent to that email address. A code will be sent to that email address. All you have to do is go to your email and check if the code has arrived in your mailbox. Let me quickly go to my email and then we'll come back there. Let me go to my email. Then we'll check if we have a code already. Come on. All right. There is a message from Hawkit. Let's see if it is the code or not. All right. There is a code. You just copy the code. You copy the code and go back to the page. Enter the code and click continue. Good. Welcome to Hawkit. Now let's just complete the process. You see the first one, it says select gender. Of course, you have to pick one. Then select your state. Pick your state. Let me use Lagos State. Put in Lagos State. Select your local government. Anyone. You pick your local government, and then you click set location. Good. Then it will bring you to this page to put in an image. It could be your picture. It could be anything. Any image could be a picture of a flower or anything. You can even skip it as well if you don't want. But let me just walk you through the process. I'll quickly put an image right now. I'll just select any image. Let me use this. And then that's all. I click apply. And then click proceed. Let's proceed. Then we'll wait to get to the next one, where we'll quickly fill in this information like date of birth. Put in your date of birth. I don't know. I don't think it's something you should worry about. You can put in 1999. That's not even my date of birth. But just fill it. And then your religion. Not a religious person, but whatever you want, put it there. Okay? And then click continue. Click continue. Welcome to this page. This is where I want to really explain something to you. Now when you hear, you see the first get started here is for advertisers, for those people that have products and services they want to promote. They are the ones to use here. Okay? We don't need that. We are just here to make some money. Then you look at the second, become a member, is for earners. Get paid for posting advert on your social media. It's for earner. Let's click on become a member. You click on become a member, then you are here. As soon as you get here, the next step now will be, look at it at the bottom, you see membership fee 1,000 naira. It's very important. This is what I explained at the beginning of this video. Membership fee 1,000 naira. Then you click here to pay now. You click it, and then it brings you to this page. I'll start from the bottom. You say pay with your wallet, and your wallet balance is 0000. You don't have any balance there, so there's no need paying from your wallet directly. Why not click on it? Is 100% secure method. Let's just do it and you'll see. Click on here on this first one. You click on it to take us to the next page where they will generate their payment method for us to do the payment. It's generating it right now, so let's just give it a time. Okay, now we are here. You see, it's 1,000 naira you are going to pay. Then this is the account number. You copy the account number and the bank name, Wema Bank, and the beneficial name, Hawkit International Limited. Leave this page open. Go to your payment system. If you are paying, if you go to your app or wherever you want to pay from, you pay the money, and then you come back here and click I have made this bank transfer. You click it to take you straight to your dashboard. Now let me remind you again, when you are making this payment, please do not pay 1,000 naira. It will affect you. Pay 1,100 naira. It's to put you on the safe side. I made this mistake and I have to repeat it twice. So it will take you back to your dashboard where you are going to be giving lots and lots of tasks to complete day in, day out. You understand? And as soon as you're able to complete enough tasks and you've gotten enough money to withdraw, whatever your balance will be shown to you every day. You want to withdraw, just click the withdraw. If you think you have enough to withdraw, click the withdraw and withdraw your money. It doesn't take time. You credit your account. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this video. If this is not what you want, if this is not for your level, you are too busy, you have so much other things going on very well for you, please share it with your family members, share it with your loved ones. There are a lot of people in your space that need urgent 2k, urgent 5k from you all the time. Share this to them. They will be happy. They will forever thank you. Click on this subscribe button, like our channel, and comment. Leave your comment at the comment section and we'll gladly respond to you. Thank you and God bless you.